We're going to go see a craftsman home in Highland Park, Northeast Los Angeles. My name is Victoria Munoz. I'll be your realtor and guide. This is Living in NELA. Okay, so today's driving tour starts in Highland Park. This street right here is one of the most driven on streets coming from South Pasadena and going to Eagle Rock. So this is York Boulevard. York Boulevard runs east and west, just in case you're wondering. Here is Figueroa. Figueroa is also one of the most common streets people use when driving across through Highland Park to downtown LA. Okay, well, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of Northeast LA, Highland Park. For me, I think there's more pros than cons, but let's start with the neighborhood. So it's a diverse community. There's people from everywhere living here. There's lots of shopping, so there's a lot of hip and trendy stores. It's close to San Gabriel Valley and downtown LA. So if you're going to South Pasadena, El Sereno, Lincoln Heights, so it's kind of like centrally located, the gateway to downtown LA and San Gabriel Valley. So location is good. There's a lot of things to do outside, so recreation outdoors is good. Now, some of the cons, as you know, the cost of living here is high, so rents are high, home prices are high. Traffic, any time of day you try to avoid traffic, there's traffic. Parking's always a situation, but I noticed that a lot of these homes, they're older homes, so the driveways are pretty short or there's no driveway at all. So parking is always an issue, and I think it's like that anywhere. There's a lot of noise, so there's a lot of development, construction. As you saw on the way over here, there was, a single lane open. There was some street maintenance and construction. There's a lot of crowds, so there's always people, noise, traffic. Parking is an issue, people wanting to move here. Highland Park, Northeast Los Angeles is always and it's been a hip and trendy area for many, many years. So a lot of people want to move here. It's a great place to live. So let's start with the actual tour of the home. So this is North Avenue 51. The address is 1045 North Avenue 51 in Highland Park. It was hot today. It was over 80 degrees. I don't have AC in my car. I drive an older car, and it was really hot, and it was cool in the house, and the windows were open. There's a lot of bright light in here. This house is situated on the corner. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The listed price is $1,195,000. So I feel like this is a good starter home for maybe 1 or 2 families, or maybe just a family with a lot of kids, or someone that works from home. Maybe they can convert some of the bedrooms to maybe a gym or extra storage. So this concludes my tour. Today was a short trip. I have to do some other things I picked up 7 buyers from an open house that I hosted this weekend. Hope you like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Living in NELA. My name is Victoria Munoz, real estate professional. Hope to see you soon, and thanks for watching.